Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to duplicate a product in your Shopify online store. First, visit shopify.com website, then click on Login, fill in your email and password, and hit Login. In order to duplicate a product inside Shopify, first you need to locate it. To do that, click on Products from this left side menu. Then click on the product you want to duplicate. In my case, this is it. And from the product page like this one, you can duplicate your product. Just click on this button and wait a moment. As you can see, this is your duplicated product title. You can edit it from here. For example, you can deselect any of the following details you don't want to duplicate. In my case, I will not duplicate the SKU because my duplicated product will be a different one. And product status, I will go with a draft. And after that, click on this duplicate product button. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Shopify for Beginners today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Shopify, how to set up your online store, add products and collections, manage your store pages and navigation, add payment methods, launch your store, manage it, also doing marketing for it. To get access to all of this today, plus my other available online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Now, this is my duplicated product. I can edit it as I want it. Let's say that, for example, I sell a different model, the 9000 of the same coffee maker. I will delete this copy and let's scroll down. For example, where is the SKU? Because I have multiple variants for this product, I need to click on one of the variants to locate the SKU field. I think it was better to keep the same SKU to duplicate it also and edit it from here. But no worries, let's go back to the products page, and after editing your duplicated product, make sure to have the active status, and after that click on this save button. My product is now saved and also active. Let's view it live. And this is now my duplicated product. And this is how to duplicate a product in Shopify. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.